In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use a Roblox gift card. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. You will be able to use and manage your Roblox gift cards when you open up the Roblox website or the Roblox mobile app. Regardless of which option you pick, the process is roughly the same. If you want to do this through the Roblox website as I'm doing here, all you have to do is log in and then click gift cards, as you can see over here on the menu at the left side of the screen. Click gift cards and you will be redirected to the gift cards page where you can see all the virtual items that you can acquire by using gift cards and all the other bonuses. In this page, click redeem card at the top, as you can see this white button over here, and when you click redeem code, you will be able to input your gift card code to receive your Robux. So input the code over here. As you can see, I'm just inputting random numbers because I don't have a code at the moment, but as long as you include a valid code over here and you tick this box, you will be able to redeem your Robux and receive them instantly on your account. If you are having issues redeeming your code, you can also use these articles over here on the left: how to redeem video, more help on gift cards, how to redeem virtual item codes, and how to redeem promo codes. As long as you redeem your gift card code through this page, you will be able to instantly receive your Robux or any virtual items that you have. I hope I was able to help you on how to use a Roblox gift card. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.